These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. Scattered, it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time with you.
What it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see in the name of the title today, I got a special one for you guys. Like I said, every time you guys come to my channel, I'm always talking about a special one. But for today's mod, guys, I've been waiting to do this mod for about 6 to 7 weeks, and it finally came in the mail yesterday. Ever since I ordered it, I've been waiting to do this mod. But yeah, guys, we went ahead and ordered a custom airbag cover from Destroyed Customs. If you guys don't know who Destroyed Customs is, I'll go and leave his Instagram right here. But yeah, guys, he puts out some great work. He like specializes in like carbon fiber steering wheels, airbag covers. You know, he can deck out your whole interior carbon fiber. Anything you think of, he can probably fabricate carbon fiber. Just hit him up and let him know Cali Streets Cars and Mods sent you guys. But yeah, guys, today is going to be an install video. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to, you know, take your airbag cover off, and you know, we'll show you guys how to swap it as well. But I'm not going to go and show you guys any previews of the new custom airbag cover I got until the end of the video, so you guys got to watch the whole video and stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, I am really excited for this, so let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, guys, so first thing you want to do, remember, anytime dealing with electrical, this is electrical at the end of the day, we have wires in here. We're going to go ahead and remove your negative terminal from your battery. So we're going to go ahead and unplug the battery. We already did that. Make sure you let it sit for about like 15-20 minutes. It's been like 30 for me, been chilling. But yeah, we did about, you want to do about like 15-20 minutes, unplug the battery, and then you can go ahead and start on the airbag cover, or the airbag to remove it. And you know, the only reason to do that is because, you know, this might be still engaged, so you want to let everything power down in it. So removing the battery is going to be your first step, and then we're going to go ahead and start on the airbag cover. So airbag, to take the airbag off, you're going to need like a slim flathead. I'm using like the slim flathead. It's kind of long, however, not too big, however, but you don't want no bulky screwdriver. However, you just want like a slim flathead. We're going to try to engage the spring on the airbag on both sides. So there's one on this side and one on this side. So you're going to want to go ahead and grab a flathead so you can engage the springs and be able to pop this airbag off. So let's go ahead and get that started. We'll start on this side. You want to like feel for it. I think that's the left side. We got the left side popped off. You don't want to go too far. You probably just want to go about like this much. And then right there, as you see, I got the front. So the left side popped off. Let's go ahead and try the next side. Having a little complications real quick. I got both of them to pop off, but I think they're not fully, the spring didn't fully engage to pop it off. So you gotta feel around. Like I said, you don't have to go too deep with it. I feel it coming off, but it doesn't want to pop off. Hold on. We're almost there.
One eternity later.
All right, guys, as you see, we finally got the airbag off. Man, check this out. So the whole thing with this, there's a spring. This spring right there, you got to push it in with some force. Like, really, you got to feel for it. It's this one. Oh, my God, I got to put it down to the side. It's this one right here. You got to push it down, push it in with some force. And my thing was just stuck in there, and we finally got it off. So we're going to go ahead and take off these little tabs in the back, these yellow tabs, and we'll unplug this little black plug right there, and then we'll be able to swap out the airbag cover. So I'll get with you guys next once we get to that part. Cool. I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. All you got to do is pop these tabs off, and you can just pull this piece out of here just like that, and then unplug this one right here and this one right here. You unplug both of these, and then you just pull these tabs, and then these should come off no problem. Just make sure you take your time. You don't want to break anything. And there you go, that's the airbag, came off. All right, let's go ahead and swap it out. This is how you do it basically. So you're gonna go ahead, we'll put you guys on the stand, and then I'll have my homeboy here, Dom, he's gonna help me pull these little tabs. You gotta pull these tabs up right here. You gotta pull these ones up all around, all these up right here, and then this should pop off. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, we got one side already pried off. You just gotta work your flatheads, and this is plastic, so you just gotta be slow with it. But you also gotta watch out, because this is hard plastic. You don't wanna break into these tabs. But you wanna pull these up from the side. I can't really give you guys a great view on it. Like, I got these ones pried out already from the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. What, they work?
You put it lower.
And I'm pried off on this side. All the tabs are underneath this already. So that's what you wanna do. You wanna pry the tabs from underneath, but slowly, so the plastic won't. You don't have to worry about this plastic for this one, but you want to worry about these tabs right here. So that's what locks in the new airbag. Once you really got all of them off lightweight, it's really basically done. So right there, I pried from the top like this, and then I try to get a little bit over it, and then I pry from underneath after. So let me see, just like this. You want to go slowly, you don't want to break the tab. See, now I pulled over it, but this one went back over, so you gotta but this one I kind of back already, so you can just pull up from here, and the plastic should go over it. But just be slow with it. There we go. See, we got it over just by prying underneath. We got these last two, and then these last two right here. So we got 4 tabs left. Start from the top until you can pry the cover over the tab. Ooh, one fell out. I think we're good on this side still. Yeah, we're pretty much good. Like that, pried it over. This one went back over a little bit, but just pry it up from the bottom. Oh, this one went under too, one over top. There we go. So we got those 3. They work on these last 3 right here. Ooh. One's off. So try to pry it up a little bit, start pulling at it. We got 2 left. These bottom ones might be the most difficult. We never know. Let's try it. There we go. We got them all off. Looks like it. Oh, I think these two might have went back on. Yeah, but that's the only two that went back on. Hold up, wait a minute. There we go. All right, time to pry it off. Go. Oh, these ones went back on. Dang, almost got it. We got it off. Basically got it off. Just gotta get this one that went on there. Oh shit. That's the airbag. That's a bitch to get out, that's for sure. But that's your airbag cover, your factory. We got it off. No damages to it. Let's go in and get the new one installed. All right, guys, and we got it on. Ain't gonna lie, it's easier. It's hard. No, it's harder to take it off, but then put it on. But it did give me some issues putting it back on. You gotta line the clips right. Make sure you put the clips like centered, however, because you don't want no issues putting it on. And hopefully the airbag is good. That's all my thing. But I'm really going to blur this out, so I'm pretty sure you guys are not going to see this. I told y'all we're going to be showing it once it's actually on there. But here's a little sneak peek. But we'll give you the full view at the end of the video. But let's go ahead and put this back in there. And we'll go ahead and show you guys the results.
Several days later.
All right, guys, just finished it up. Let's do the drum roll in. Bang, there it is, guys. So as you can see, we got an SRT airbag cover. I got a little backstory on this, guys. So before y'all get in the comments on me, just hear me out. So in the beginning, when I ordered this airbag cover from Destroy Customs, you know, I already gave him, you know, the picture, however, because he's done these ones many times. I already gave him the order for the SXT font. However, same thing in the middle, same design, blue stitching, blue wire carbon fiber with the SXT in the middle. I guess in between our conversation, he didn't put in my order that I wanted the SXT and he thought I wanted the SRT, which is like, you know, just some miscommunication at the end of the day. But by the time he made it, and it was about a good 7 weeks when he showed me, oh, it's ready to go, ship out. I mentioned to him, hey man, I wanted the SXT, and I guess he just didn't see that in the order, and he said he'll fix it, and basically said it'll be another 3 to 4 weeks. At the end of the day, guys, I didn't want to wait any longer. I was excited from this mod to get done since I ordered it. It was already about 7 weeks since I purchased it. You know, I got this one on the 8th week, so it took a whole process of 8 weeks for me purchasing it to getting it. That's just for me, you know. Maybe other people would be faster, but that's just for me. But I didn't want to wait any longer. He said 3 to 4 weeks, and at the end of the day, I was excited for this mod. And guess what? I'm digging the SRT look. You know what? SXT wouldn't be bad, but SRT does look better at the end of the day. But yeah, guys, shout out to Destroy Customs. I appreciate you know hooking me up with the sale, hooking me up on the airbag cover. And again, guys, you guys need anything like carbon fiber, you guys need anything like airbag covers, interior carbon fiber, all this, the shifters and everything, the doors, whatever you can think of, bro. Look, check him out on Instagram. Check out his Instagram. You'll see all his work he's done, and you guys can give you guys ideas like that. But yeah, guys, SRT airbag cover is complete. Steering wheel's about 80% done. We still need to get the paddle shifters done, and then these little side panels where the buttons sit at. These are little fake plastic ones. But once we get those paddle shifters done and these little side panels, steering wheel is going to be 100% after that. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. We're going to be doing a review on my homeboy Dom's car, his 2016 DodgeCharger RT. And then we also got an upcoming mod for him pretty soon. So y'all stay tuned for those 2 videos. They're probably going to be the next couple videos we put out. But y'all stay tuned. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.